Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Apple Translate on an iPhone. So this is basically a built-in application of iOS. You're going to head over to App Library and search for Translate, and this is the application that you need. Click on it and you'll be able to see three various options such as Translate, Camera, and Conversation. So Translate is basically simply translating your text into any language you want. First, you're going to select the text that you wish to change. In order to change the language, you can click on it and you can select any language you want. For example, I'm going to click on English and then you're going to select the target language. I'm going to let it be Spanish, or you can change it to whichever language you want. And then you can simply type in any sentence you want in English. For example, I'm going to type in hello, how are you? And you'll be able to see the translated text right over here. And if you wish to switch it, you can click on this icon over here. And now you can see now it's from Spanish to English. So that was text translating. Now, if you wish to translate any image, you can click on camera over here. Simply position your camera to whichever page you want. And you can select your target language over here. Click on it and select any language you want. For example, I'm going to click on French, and you can bring your camera right in front of any text you wish to translate, and you can take any image as well, and you'll be able to see the translated text right in front of you. The next option we have is conversation. Over here, you can have a live conversation with anyone you want using the Translate application. For example, if a person does not speak the language you speak, and whatever you speak will be changed into that specific language. And that is basically how you can use Apple Translate on an iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.